Module 7 is entitled Analyzing Conflicts. Learning to analyze conflicts in a structural, systematic way complements our earlier concepts learned, which focused on communication choices, behaviors, and their underlying principles. Systems theory helps us to understand the question, how does this work? Conflicts are seldom managed productively by attention to blame or causality. It provides a lens through which to analyze what happens and that conflicts are interlocking sequences. Upon completion of this lesson, you should be able to explain how we analyze conflicts and identify comprehensive guides to conflicts and explain the differences.